Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get emotes in 8-ball pool. So let's begin. First of all, open your 8-ball pool application. Now here on the top, you can see the shop section. Tap on the shop section. So as you can see now, there's an option called social. Tap on the social option. Now as you can see, there is a section called chat packs on the top. Tap on chat packs. So basically there are no emotes. Instead of them, you can use chat packs in 8-ball pool. So as you can see, there are a lot of available here. So in order to have them, you must have certain coins. So just tap on buy, and now it will take some time, and now you're done. So you have just purchased it. Now you can tap on continue. Now you can use them while playing this game, and you can even mock your opponents, or you can even tease them. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.